Sir, Vipassana.
Yeah, Vipassana, Vipassana, it is really, I feel everybody needs, because, to understand ourselves, it is very helpful, that how to live, and how to control yourself, how to um, get out of the ego, desire, and, craving, you know these kind of things. If you have all these kind of things, you become sick. So if you come out of these all things, you become really healthy, mentally, at the same time physically also. So and the Vipassana, it makes you to understand painting. It made me especially to understand painting better, because when the Vipassana is very close to painting. Painting also is a like kind of Vipassana only. So because in Vipassana they says, we have the sixth sense, and the sixth one sense, which is very important for the uh, Vipassana sadhak, and for the artist, because sixth sense, mm, when you get some sensation to your sixth sense, you know after getting that sensation, you start, to what you can say, that sensations, if it is uh, if you can't control, and because of that sensation, you lose the mental balance, and you don't know how to adjust yourself like that. But the Vipassana, it teaches you how to control yourself, you know, how to get out of those kind of things, and because our body is a very so much sensitive, because each and every part of body immediately get reacted by the outside world. For example, if there is a uh, dirty smell, immediately you feel dirty. When there is a fire, you don't touch the fire. And when there is something bad thing, immediately you recognize this is a bad thing, so you don't try to avoid the bad things, and make your mind not to react to that situation. Otherwise, sometimes what happens, when somebody gets angry to you and somebody insult you, you get hurt, and then 3-4 days you can't forget that hurting from that person, and you keep very much, you create anger within yourself. And when you create anger, then you mentally you become disturbed. So how to control that anger? That Vipassana teaches you, and how to remain economous. That the Vipassana teaches you. So even as a painter, it is very good, the Vipassana, because most of the artists, when they do painting, they think that painting I should do for the selling only. I should get money from this painting, and that desire, it starts from there, And sometimes some artists, when they start selling painting, they make a reproduction of that kind of work, and they sell in the market, and they get a lot of money, and then their desire start craving, then you get more desire, then you feel like selling more painting, then you will do painting similar to like that, sellable painting you will keep on doing. So that kind of desire is very dangerous for the artists. The artists, they should do their own work. They should never think of selling. They should never think of money. Money, it comes automatically. If your work is good, it will get sold, and you will get the money. But for the money, sake of money, if you do painting, you can't be a successful artist. You know. Always, then your desire will start. You will start craving the desire, and then you will not be able to really concentrate on your painting. You will always, your mind, it will be that how I can sell this painting. And more you sell painting, more you get the desire. You will be never happy throughout the life. For artists, this is very necessary that they should not have so much, what you can say, they should not have a desire itself, because as soon as you have a desire, your concentration will not be there for the painting. So that is very dangerous. Now you see there are some artists, they are after money only. Then they will have some 10 assistant, 15 assistant, they will get work done from them, and they sell in the market. And that's how, they make money, a lot of money. But even though still they are not happy with that, even they have a lot of money, they are not happy because of desire. Always
they want more and more.
They want more and more money. So there is no end for that. So it's a lot.
जब आपका कोई काम पसंद करते हैं और जब वो लेके जाना चाहते हैं, तो हाउ यू रिएक्ट एट दैट टाइम?
So I take it as it is, because mostly, you can't
तो
be.
कहीं दुख होता है आपको? कहीं दुख होता है कि मेरे पास नहीं रहेगा या मैं देख नहीं पाऊंगा, ऐसा कुछ होता है सर?
Not really, because that person, he likes that painting because he want to live with that painting. He want to have that
हाँ,
painting in his house, and he want to live with that painting. So you feel happy. If somebody is having your painting and he is living with your painting, he is enjoying it, you feel happy. Because this is what, in Vipassana they say, you be happy and make others happy. This is the basic thing in Vipassana. You be happy yourself, and you make others happy also. So this is very good thing, which I learned in Vipassana. Yeah. And the mind, how to
सर
mind, how to keep equanimous from the anger, from the desire, from the craving, from the sadness and all this, because in Vipassana they say that, now that you are unhappy, but that one also it will go. It's nothing is permanent. So which is not permanent, why you feel unhappy about that? Always you should be equanimous. The money also, today the money came, tomorrow you don't know, tomorrow it may not come. Because money source sometimes it's not continuous. It's not, it is just temporary, so it's not permanent that all the time you will get money. Sometimes you will lose it, sometimes you will not get it. So you have to remain equanimous. You should not, your mind should not be up and down. If you get, it's good. If you don't get it, no problem, it's good. Both way, you have to be happy with it.
सर मैम और आप दोनों एक साथ काम करते हो, दो आर्टिस्ट एक साथ रहते हो, काम करते हो, तो उसका जो अनुभव है वो कैसा होता है दोनों का? और इतना साथ जो है पेरिस से लेके अभी तक, आज तक, वो कैसा रहा है?
The two artists, when they are living together, you know, this, if somebody is doing something good, your eyes goes there only, and immediately, wow, it is good, it's interesting. Then you feel good, then then discuss about that good thing. You know. Sometimes it is bad, then we feel bad. No, this is something is wrong. Should be there. Then we discuss about this. Then sometimes we argue also. We sometimes disagree each other also. So it happens, you know. But in finally, when the good work is there, both 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 of us we become happy about that. You know, there is a good work. You know. So, and naturally, mostly in the artist life, you know, it is very simple, you know. So both of them, they are involved with their own work. No, and there is no time for the for other thing, you know, for the uh,
तो इंस्पायर भी हो सकते हैं सर एक दूसरे से बहुत
inspired with the
तो आप
we
काम
can
करें
discuss. But in work, we don't get inspired by each other's work. The work is individual. Every artist has their work. Uh, they work individually. Their thinking is individual. You know, their I mean way of working it is individual. You know, so it doesn't clash each other. So this is what because when you have complete freedom, then only you can work. No? If there is some restriction, then you can't work. No, you can't have freedom to work. So there's for the specially artists, no, there should be a freedom, you know, to work. So it's like that.
अब दोनों का टेस्ट एक जैसा है या अलग अलग है
Taste it becomes similar, you know, because after living so many years together, taste it becomes same. So whatever I cook, she eat. Whatever she cook, I eat. So it becomes same. Now, you know, the many artist couple, I think they must be the same like us, working together, you know. But sometimes we share many things together, you know, because both of us interests we have the same interest, you know. The field is same. So the sharing each other's idea in the sense experience, sharing each other's experience is good, but that experience also is different. It's not the same experience which I have. She will have the same experience. It's not like that because everybody is individual. You know, individually everybody get different kind of experience. You know. So the way of looking at the nature also may be a different, you know, from me. Uh, you know, her interest will be there different. Looking at the, you know, sun, her, you know, thinking may be different. My thinking may be different. The way I look at the light, the way she look at the light is different. You know. That's how we can paint different. The medium is same. I also use acrylic. She uses acrylic. I also use watercolor. She uses watercolor. Mediums are same, but the way of working, the way of thinking is, and the way she has experience, the way I have experience is different.
So now what is your plan?
Now to continue like the working like this, and you know now during this almost one and a half year, I took a lot of interest in video films. So now I have made a lot of films. Some may like, some may not like, but I enjoyed doing those films, you know, which are about nature only. And all those films, you know, it is helping to my painting also because my paintings also I get inspiration from the nature only. So what I saw through the camera nature, and what I saw actual nature for my painting. Here, as a photography, the looking at the nature is different. When I look at the nature for my inspiration for my painting, that that is different. You know, the eyes, through the eyes we can see so many things, and every second what I see, every second, every moment is a different experience. But camera is not like that. Once you shoot, is that's it, because that is the only one moment you shot. But eyes, you see every second, every moment sees the different moments of nature. So here, the looking at nature, observing nature, is much more wider than the camera. So, but the camera sometimes also you can, I mean, but not every second, every moment, because to shoot some landscape, you have to keep your camera on the stand, compose the frame, and then shoot it. But here, you don't have to fix your camera. You don't have to compose the frame, because every time frame is different. Every time the landscape is different. It's like that. This is the difference, eyes and camera.
सर आपका जो जितना काम है अभी तो सब आपके पास नहीं है, बहुत कम आपके साथ नहीं है, तो उसका कुछ आपने लिस्ट बनाया है? कलेक्टेड वर्क कहाँ है, क्या है, कुछ है? आप इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ आपने रखा है या नहीं?
I couldn't do that one, because artists, that is difficult for the artists to do all those kind of things, because we don't know how many paintings we sold, and where my painting is gone, I don't know. So all that kind of record for artists is very difficult to keep.
मैम का भी सेम ही होगा, जिनसुक मैम का भी सेम ही है?
Same.
वहाँ क्या है, मतलब कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है?
No information. We can't keep with that kind of thing. Then my mind, it will not be free. And that one, no, if you do that kind of thing, then you start craving. Then your desire will start coming up. Then you will.
मैं पूछ रही थी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के लिए अगर कोई
What happens
मतलब
naturally when you try to do documents, you will your eyes, your attraction will be how many paintings I sold, at what price I sold. All your attention, it will go to that only. Consciously, unconsciously, it will happen like that. So that is not suitable to the artist.
एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगा.
There are some statements of artists, world famous artists. Sometimes it is inspiring. What they have said, how they talk about their work, and what is their this one of the world master, he says, paint on canvas as if you are growing most beautiful flower. Paint canvas as if you are growing beautiful flower. Keep watering it with the feelings. Keep watering with the feelings. Give it a lot of sunlight with the experience. With your experience, you give a lot of sunlight. And always make sure the petals are full of color and are never curling. Means never, you look at that, always is fresh and not dying. Once you neglect your painting, it will die. So like, once you neglect your painting, it will die. It will not, become good work. So there are some artists, they wrote very beautiful. Sometimes, observing nature through filmmaking is a big step to move from the external experience to the internal. But sometimes, the observing the nature through the film is a very, and there are two things in the filmmaker, the eye and the mind. Each one of them should aid the other. The eye and mind, it should help each other. In the painting also is the same. And, the life is simple and natural like a flowers. When you are in touch with the nature, it makes you feel connected to something much bigger than yourself. Nature is giving us joy. We are very much a part of nature. The relationship with the nature is extremely important and is also linked to lowering anxiety. The truth is nature can teach us many valuable lessons. It can also lead us to wonder this beautiful earth with all of its natural treasures are created by nature itself. Natural beauty comes in many forms and it is not about perfection. Nature is something that has inspired artists, poets of all generations. The environment is a constant source of inspiration that has changed and challenged the greatest artists of all time. It is good to know your surroundings and paint to express it in your own way. Mother Nature and all her glory are great topics for painting. The simple experience of watching a birds and observing the unique beauty in the nature. Artist's job is to paint what he see, not what he know. If you are a painter, you are not alone. There is no way to be alone. The challenges for an artist is always to find your own way of doing something. So these are, there is some great writers and great artists. They have said beautiful things about themselves, which can help to younger generation to how to look at the nature and how many things the nature can teach you. These are the very beautiful things, which the artists get from the nature.
एंड में आप क्या बताओगे जो नए पीढ़ी है जो आर्ट का फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं, जो ये आपका क्या है, आप क्या बताओगे उनको?
As you know, from the beginning, I believe if you work hard, definitely one day you will get fruit. And this is the law of nature, If your karma, if it is good, the one day definitely you will get the good fruit only. So this is the principle, every artist, even every human, if they think in this way, always in the life, They can do beautiful things. They can enjoy themselves at the same time. They can give happiness to others also. This is what I feel that everybody should understand in the life, that they should be positive and always they should think that they should be happy themselves, at the same time they should make others happy.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत नए नए बात सुनने को मिला आपका। इतना अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस आपने शेयर किया हम लोगों के साथ। और आगे भी आपसे बात होगी, बात होती रहेगी। और आज के लिए हम यही खत्म करते हैं। नमस्कार।
Thank you very much. It's a good. I had an opportunity to talk to you so many things, and I hope it helps to others. What I talked and what I said, and I hope everybody work honestly hard. Thank you.